We are back with a Fox News alert. We are less than a minute from SpaceX. Crew 12 taking off at the International Space Station.
I better read faster. Our senior correspondent, Jonathan Seri, live at the launch site in Florida's Cape Canaveral with the latest. Jonathan.
Yeah, good morning, Todd and Carly. This morning's launch comes after two weather-related delays earlier this week, but the weather this morning looks absolutely beautiful here at the launch site and also under the flight path over the Atlantic. The Crew 12 mission includes two American NASA astronauts, one European Space Agency astronaut, and one Russian cosmonaut. They are launching in a SpaceX Dragon capsule sitting atop a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket to begin a 34-hour trip to the International Space Station. When they arrive, they will join two Russians and NASA astronaut Chris Williams. Williams has been maintaining the American equipment on the ISS by himself since January. That's because the previous mission, Crew 11, had to return to Earth early after one astronaut developed an undisclosed health problem. It was the first ever medical evacuation in the ISS's 25-year history of having a constant human presence on board. Crew 12 is expected to spend about 8 months on the International Space Station. So far with launch, everything looks great. We're about 15 seconds away. Let's watch and listen in.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Falcon, go Dragon, and Godspeed Crew 12.
1 Alpha. SpaceX copy, stage 1 Alpha.
Stage 1 throttle down. Max Q.
All right, Jonathan, that looked like a successful launch to me, and the capsule is going to be traveling at approximately 17,500 miles per hour. So how about that for a Friday morning launch?
Yes, an absolutely beautiful launch, and this launch is taking place from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, just adjacent to the Kennedy Space Center. And because of the distance from us to the launch pad, you see the sky light up. It's like this pre-dawn sunrise, and then several seconds later, you hear that rumble. And as the rocket is ascending, it's just this loud noise, this kind of ripping through the atmosphere noise, and an absolutely beautiful sight to watch. So far, everything looks absolutely wonderful with this beautiful launch. The SpaceX makes it look easy. NASA makes it look easy, but trust me, it's rocket science. A lot goes into this, and it's amazing how they pull this off each time.
Yeah.
Jonathan Seri with NASA-like precision tossing to the rocket launch, which again also demonstrated NASA-like precision. We want to thank you, Jonathan. Great stuff out there.
Thanks, Jonathan.
And speaking of astronauts, let's bring in retired NASA astronaut Butch Wilmore.
Whoa.
Sir, it's an honor to have you on the program.
It is.
I am wondering, in this moment, you have been in this moment that we are watching on our screen, but when you are at this moment, traveling through pre-space, let's call it, what is going through your mind?
Well, right now they're going through staging. So the first stage has depleted its propellant and it is jettisoned from the spacecraft. So there's a couple of seconds of zero gravity where you just kind of come forward in your straps. And then the second stage lights off and it pushes you back. You went from about 3.5 Gs to 0. Now you're about a G, just about at that, as you continue to start to accelerate on this single Merlin engine. It's thrilling.
Wow. Well, you know, this crew 12, is going to be replacing, as Jonathan said, the 4-member crew whose mission was cut short due to a medical issue of one of the astronauts. Tell us more about this mission, the importance of it, and what these astronauts will be doing when they aboard the International Space Station.
Well, you got to realize that we've launched now almost 200 times from Kennedy Space Center. And in all of those launches over the last several decades, every single launch is a test flight. There are things that are different. There's software changes. There's hardware changes to the rockets and the different capabilities that are there. So everything is, you hope it goes as planned. Obviously, things thus far are going great, as you can tell. But there's so many things that are different that have been tested, and you're in the process of continuing to take those baby steps forward as we go back to low Earth orbit in this mission, and then we're going beyond in the missions to come. So it's thrilling in all aspects.
Yeah. Sir, I want to be very delicate with this question in light of what we know about your background and history and time in space, but how do you mentally prepare to be in space for 8 months with the possibility, as you well know, that you could be there much, much longer if something goes wrong?
Right. Yeah, this is true. Honestly, the first thing that comes to mind is you count it a privilege. I mean, it's a privilege to serve your nation in this capacity for these things, these bold things that we're doing, going beyond literally leaving the planet and the work that we are doing in space for the betterment of mankind here on Earth. So you count it as a privilege. And if every day to be on orbit is a privilege, even those days that are not expected, and you kind of go with that mindset, if you will, throughout. So when things change, and they often do, you just go with the flow with it, and just continue to focus forward in the tasks that you've had, and relying back on the preparation that has brought you this far.
Okay, so Butch, according to NASA, and buckle up for this one because it's going to be pretty long, research that these astronauts are going to be doing includes studies on pneumonia treatment, on-demand intravenous fluid generation, automated plant monitoring, nitrogen fixing microbe interactions for space food production, and blood flow effects during space flight. That's quite the menu, and I'm sure a lot of that sounds more familiar to you than us. So tell us a little bit more about those specifics.
Well, my goodness, it would take a long time to go into all of those details, but just suffice it to say, capillary flow, how blood flows through the body, how the body takes in nutrients in zero gravity is different than it is in gravity, and ways to maximize those effects. And also, not just during space flight, but how the body takes in medicines and whatnot. We know that there are some medicines that younger individuals are able to absorb better than older individuals. Why is that? So we're doing tests in space to try to assess some of those issues, along with DNA analysis and so many varied number of experiments. I think this crew is going to have between 200 and 250 experiments that they'll be doing over the next 8 months. And it's all, like I said, for the benefit of mankind.
Yeah, this was really thrilling to watch as we all saw the beginning of this 8-month mission together. And next stop, Artemis 2, which will be another one that we are certainly excited for. Butch Wilmore, we thank you so much for joining us. Retired NASA astronaut.
What an honor.
Butch Wilmore, absolutely.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.